friends, welcome back to the channel SciTech. In this video I'm going to show you how you can actually play the 120 FPS high refresh rate games in the Realme GT Neo 2 device. Yes friends, the Realme GT Neo 2 has got some kind of software optimization problem where you won't be able to play the high refresh rate games with the full brightness and all those kind of problems it's facing at this moment. But there's one solution for this kind of problem. So it's not the new solution which I did use the previous videos as well in the other phones. For example, Realme X1 Max and other Realme devices, I did use the same kind of solution. So right now I'll try to take a couple of examples as well. So here are the couple of examples which are sort of explaining you. So without using solution, if you try to open these games, you won't get 120 Hz refresh rate support. These games only functions at 60 FPS only. They'll try to play. That's it. They won't play at 120 FPS. Without using this kind of trick. I'll try to explain you the trick as well. I just want to show you before and after. So whether it's kind of impacting or not. That's the reason I'm trying to mention clearly. So before you can see even 60 Hz only I'm trying to get, nothing much. I'm not getting 120 Hz anyway. The solution for this kind of problem is that using the application which is called the Set Edit application. So which is available in the Play Store. So which few of the users, they are already aware of this kind of application before. So once you download this application, try to click and open and try to scroll down. You will get all this kind of so many columns and lines. So don't worry about anything. So try to go to only one particular column which is called the peak refresh rate option. As you can see friends, this is what the peak refresh rate option which is called here. So try to click only the peak refresh rate. So don't try to click any option, only click the peak refresh rate. So once after you click on the peak refresh rate, so try to click on the edit value. Okay. So now you need to change the value from 120 to 1. So now what happens is that the complete UI will be forced to use at only high refresh rate. That is 120 Hz only, the complete UI. Yes. As you can see immediately. So this will drain the battery. So make sure to remember that the battery will be drained. The heating also can be increased slightly a little bit more. So you need to keep those things in mind. Right now I did open the same game and you will be able to see 120 Hz. It will be able to play exactly high refresh rate. The 120 Hz changed and 120 Hz I'm getting real time. So which is working fantastic if you use the Set Edit application. So you don't need to use any kind of brightness trick, nothing at all. Everything works smooth, flawless, nothing, no problem. Only thing is that the battery may drain a little bit kind of more than usual because complete UI will be forced to use only at high refresh rate. So not only this game's complete UI. So if you want to disable this feature, you just need to restart the device. Try to restart. So once after you restart, the values will be come back to the normal. That's how it actually works. So right now I'll be able to play this game as 120 Hz refresh rate, as you can see exactly. So this is a application. If you ask me, is it a trustworthy application? I would say I'm trying to use this application only in plenty of other smartphones before. So there's no issues for me unless you don't miss any of the rows or any of the column. Don't try to click and delete the row. Don't try to do that. So nothing will happen, but just whatever it is, try to restart the device. Whatever the problem is, always restart the phone and the problem will come back to the normal. That's it. So this is a one solution which I can actually give you on the Realme GT Neo 2, which can actually make it work to forcefully use it high refresh rate 120 Hz support, which I'm trying to use right now. As you can see exactly, until the Realme finds a solution, we need to use this kind of temporary tricks. So almost all the games, whatever the high refresh rate which are supported, will definitely work 100% without any kind of problem. Right now you can see actually this game actually supports high refresh rate game. So which also performs really good without any kind of problem, nothing at all. So only thing is that once after you finished usage, try to restart the device, the values will be set back to normal. So this is another thing you should definitely understand. So until the Realme fixes friends, this is only one solution which we got right now at this moment, temporary. And same problem with other Realme phones as well, which I'm trying to use. So we need to be slightly kind of patient at this moment. So make sure to submit your feedback to the Realme team and Realme community as much as possible. So they'll try to fix the issues as soon as possible. But this problem is not happening right now. This problem is happening from very, very long time. It's been so many months. Same problem is happening in plenty of other Realme phones, but still they haven't fixed it. So I'm not sure when they'll be able to fix it. But till then I'll be able to anyway use this application as a temporary solution. So which is actually available right now. So that's it friends, thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, signing off and Bye. So this game is my favorite game all time. I used to like this game exactly. So see you in the next video for another state of more updates. Meanwhile, signing off and bye.